more meaningfully. Okay, incense. Why do we use the incense? Para mabango. Para may smoke effect. Parish ba dito? Wala. Frankincense. What comes into your mind? It's the gift that was offered to Jesus, right? One of the three gifts, frankincense. Why do we incense the altar, the cross, the priest, and the people? Diba? Kasi if you sway the two ball and you know the meaning behind what you are doing, then you can perform it in a better way. You can do it prayerfully. Yan. Why? By our understanding of the liturgy. So later, dun sa top 3, may mga technicalities tayo na matututunan, and at the same time, what is the theology behind it? Next, discipline. Bakit kaya kailangan ng disiplina? Why do you think we need discipline in serving? To be? Okay, so we need to be trained to serve. What else? Because we need to do it in an orderly manner. Diba? Yung entrance procession, we know the order. The incense comes first, we have the cross, we have the candle. And then we have the ministers, followed by the one holding the gospel book, and the concelebrating priests and the main presider. Diba? The order. Okay. Number 1, di ba sabi ko nga po kanina, you must be trained to serve. Hindi namin kayo pwedeng papuntahin sa altar without giving instructions. Kasi, anong gagawin mo sa altar? What are you going to do on the altar? Flower. Diba? Ang mangyayari sa'yo is, you will become a shadow of the one serving. Diba? Parang tagasunod, follower ka nung isa. Magiging disciple ka nung kasama mo. Unlike those who knows what they are doing, even though hindi kayo nakapag-briefing before the Mass, parang simple signals, you know already what you're going to do. Right? For example, in the Mass, no matter how we prepare in the Mass, or how much we prepare for the Mass, there will always be add-ons. Di ba? Palaging merong, oh, we have a blessing for ganito. Yung pinakuha ng holy water, inikot na ang buong simbahan, hindi pa rin nakuha ang holy water. Diba? Dapat, for us, altar servers, the first of the things that we should know, you should know the church you are serving. You have to familiarize yourself in the church you are serving. Second, you don't only know the things, but you know where it is kept. Baka mamaya, nagpunta ka sa altar, ang dala mo isang timbang tubig. May example ko last year, liturgical training, liturgical seminar. Pinahingi ng pare ng purificator yung altar server. Yung altar server, okay, Father.
Be.
Ano nga ba yung parang tissue? Si altar server, umakyat ng altar, dala-dala ay tissue. Buti hindi sinabing napkin. Sorry po, joke lang. Diba? Ano ba yung purificator? Sige, ayan. Ano yung purificator? Nagkatalo-talo na kayo.
Is a cloth.
It's a white cloth that you use to clean the vessels. Diba? Okay. So, hindi siya yung tissue. Okay.
White cloth. White cloth. Towel.
Another thing is, you have to be familiarized with the flow of the Mass. If you are the leader of the group and you will tell someone, papasok ka dun sa may amin. Ala, ilang amin tayo sa misa? First amen, second amen, third amen. Diba? Doon sa may the Lord be with you. Ay, ilang the Lord be with you yan sa misa. Diba? You have to be specific. You have to know the Mass. You have to know the Mass by heart. Okay. Sa Annunciation, if the English community will be serving with the Filipino community, I always tell the boys, it's not a problem. You know the Mass. Because they can understand some of the terms. But at least if you know the flow of the Mass, even though you cannot fully understand the terms, the Tagalog words, pero you can still serve. Diba? Discipline involves obedience. Obedience to whom? Obedience to whom? Obedience to the clergy and obedience to the rules of the church. So tayo mga altar servers, we have books that we follow. We have, of course, first, it's in the Roman Missal, the GIRM. The General Instruction to the Roman Missal. So nakalagay doon, how are we going to serve in the Mass? If there's one priest, if there are concelebrating priests, if it is a Mass, together with the bishop. The first few pages of the Roman Missal is called the GIRM. Okay. Of course, this is always together with this is kept in the sacristy, diba, of our respected parishes. You can also get something like this. The General Instruction to the Roman Missal. So it is an instruction to all the altar servers, instruction for the priests, instructions for the lectors, and for the extraordinary ministers of Holy Communion. Apart from that, meron tayong tinatawag na Ceremonial of Bishops. Ceremonial of Bishops, nandun on how we are going to serve if it is a pontifical high mass, for example. So it is there. The one in our handbook are just the basics. The fundamental things that we do in Mass. So if you're going to look at it, parang it's more on a technical side. So, of course, as we go along, we're going to improve it. Sasamahan namin siya ng if you are serving Mass with a bishop. Okay. Obedience to the clergy, to the priest. Hindi pwedeng yung altar server ang masusunod. Always remember, it is always the presider's call. Sometimes, we have priests who will tell us, can you just please guide me? Especially if it's a new, it's a visiting priest in your parish. And he is not familiar on how you, the manner on how you serve. The fundamentals, the basics are all the same. Pero sometimes, we are making it, we have parang meron tayong elaborate things that we do na hindi familiar yung pare. So sasabihin ng pare sa altar server, can you just please tell me what to do? Malinaw po, hindi tayo pwedeng makipagtalo sa pare. Hindi natin Father, hindi, ganito yung natutunan namin, Father, hindi, ganito talaga, Father, yung nabasa namin. It's always the call of the presider. Okay? Discipline. And discipline entails obedience. Decorum. Para naman tayo nasa school. Proper decorum. Proper decorum is, of course, what is proper? We give dignity to what we are doing. So diyan pala papasok if we know what we are doing. And also, we have to come, or we have to be in the church fully prepared. Dapat ang buhok natin ay maayos. Kumbaga, good grooming is part of that decorum. Yung mga fingernails natin ay hindi parang taga-kapis.